In this video, I will show you a very simple cookie recipe that does not use salt, sugar, egg, or dairy. You will need almond flour. I think this may have cost around $6 at Aldi. This is probably around $3. Unsweetened applesauce, no sugar in this. And just simple cinnamon. This recipe will make 14 small cookies, and we're starting with 2 cups of the almond flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir together those 2 dry ingredients and add 1.5 cups of unsweetened applesauce. Stir the mixture together, making sure everything gets moistened by the applesauce. Now you can, but you don't have to, add a little bit of honey. I add about 1 tablespoon, but I've also had it without the honey, and it's very good even without the honey. Lightly oiling the pan, roll into a ball, and we're gonna make about 14 or 16 of these. Also, we're using the bottom of a small glass to press these down because they will not flatten as they cook. And this will give them a nice flat shape. Okay, we're putting these in for about 20 to 30 minutes at 350. These cookies are done. We'll take them out and let them cool. And it's time to take a bite. That is good. It reminds me a little bit of a granola bar texture and flavor. And no sugar, no egg, no salt, and no dairy.